Another Halloween is upon us, so let's get started. I started with concealing part of my eyebrow. If you want to know how I did this, check out this video here. Then with black Snazaroo, I sketched out what wounds I wanted on my face. Once I was happy, I went over the black with red Snazaroo face paint. Then I went over it again with a mix of black and red. Never just put bright red because human blood turns a darker shade when it dries. From here, I just continued layering the Snazaroo until I was happy. Finally, I took a mix of black, brown, purple and yellow eyeshadows to create the bruising around the wounds. If you want the bruise to look brand new, add more purple shades. If you want it to look older, add more yellow. And you're ready for Halloween. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, check out my Instagram and my brand new TikTok. Happy Halloween!